Good morning friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel gsehealth.com. I have done some research in this period of time how to increase your immunity system in various ways in Ayurvedic. Friends, the immune system in our body is the mechanism that helps us fight any kind of infection, viruses, and to stay healthy and resistant to some of the diseases as well as other health affecting conditions. There are a number of medicines that are available in the market against any health issue that one may encounter. However, if a person has a good immune system, it would have been easier for their body to fight any microorganism and pathogens causing those health issues. So how to boost your immunity systems naturally? I have done some research on the internet. You can check it out, but before accepting any information, please contact your doctor first or any Ayurvedic Vaid. Friends, the immunity of our body depends on a number of factors. It includes our lifestyle, our fitness level, our food choices, our sleeping habits, and many of other things. Having a well-maintained balance between all of these helps a person achieve high immunity levels. From the scientific point of view, our immune system keeps a record of every pathogen or microorganism, also known as microbes, that it ever encountered. By doing so, it can easily fight against those microbes if and when encountered again, as the immunity system is aware of how the antibodies to the said microbes can be generated. These antibodies fight the microbes and prevent them from causing us any harm. The components of the immune system include the white blood cells, the antibodies, the spleen, the thymus and the bone marrow, the lymphatic system and the complement system. It is said that having a fever is the body's first response to having encountered a microbe, and it triggers the body healing process. There are a number of ways in which a person can increase their immunity and strengthen their immunity system. One of these methods is Ayurveda. Herbs to boost immune system. Ayurveda is a field of medicine that has prevailed in India since ancient times. This process provides alternative to consuming antibiotic medicines and can help to heal and prevent various health issues. The principle of Ayurveda is that the health and wellness of a person depend on the balance that they strike between their mind, body and spirit. Ayurveda has proved beneficial to improve a number of health issues, and one of them includes increasing the immunity of the body. In order to fight any pathogens, it is important to have a strong immune system. So we have done some research based on the internet information, sharing some immune system boosting herbs and spices. Some of the ways in which this can be done are as follow. First one is Tulsi. Starting the day with Tulsi and ginger tea can help cleanse and strengthen their respiratory tract. Second one is turmeric. Adding black pepper and turmeric to meals can help to reduce asthma related problems and boost immunity. Reducing meat consumption. Reducing the consumption of processed food and meat can help to increase immunity. Amla juice. Consuming antioxidants rich amla juice can help to increase immunity. So friends, Ayurvedic herbs for immune system and physical methods. These are some Ayurvedic herbs. Apart from these methods, staying active, consuming healthy food, maintaining good hygiene can help to maintain good health and eventually cater to the process of boosting the immune system. You can also start meditation to stay happy and peaceful. So friends, there are a number of ways in the field of Ayurveda that can be implemented in our lifestyles to help us improve the immunity system and to fight the pathogens and microbes. And as I said, if you start the meditation, your lifestyle will be best lifestyle which will help you to increase your immunity systems. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have any comment, please write down in the comment section. Thank you.